Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add video in Canva presentation from YouTube. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up Canva on your PC or laptop, and then I've just got a blank template I'm going to use for this demonstration. And now from here, what you want to do is search here on the left hand side, look for apps. And there it is there, click into it. Now give it a few moments to load. And now where it says search Canva apps, type in embed, like so. And now the one you want to click onto is the first one here, called embed. And then click on open. And now as you can see, there's all these different apps you can embed into this blank presentation. So what you want to do is paste your web link here. I've already got one saved in my clipboard. It's a YouTube video. So I'm going to paste that in and then click on add to design. And now this should appear here. And now what you want to do is edit this video, the sizing. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now.
Welcome back to my channel.
Now that's been edited to the way I like it, so it fits the whole screen of this presentation. So yeah guys, that's it for this video, how to add video in Canva presentation from YouTube. Thanks for watching until the very end of this tutorial. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.